Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Devices Settings and click on Bluetooth section right away. Then tap on the switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. And wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Sorry, that was a misclick. After seeing this pop-up, tap on Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this icon right next to paired device and click on Unpair under device name. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!